guys, good morning. I'm fine, no. You guys see how beautiful I look when I wake up in the morning. Child. Anyway, I just woke up and I'm not supposed to wake up at this time at all. I have the longest day ever. I'm supposed to create a huge amount of content today and I edit them today. But I don't care. I will sure do vlogmas this year. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the orange brush. This is a day in my life. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I spend a day when I'm at home.
Tend to tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be.
You don't ask me what I want for Christmas. Christmas are near. That's why you say, don't worry, that is nothing. Baby, I don't know what to buy. Ask me now. I need to organize my life. I'm going to do a to-do list. I have a lot of to-do lists inside this book. To-do lists. Go to the gym. Go to Sainsbury. Go to so many places to go. Iceland. Make my hair. Shoot YouTube video. Guys, Q&A like I asked since how many days. Shoot for TikTok. Hey, do you know where my microphone is? I need to find my mic. I cannot find it. There. Hairs, wigs that I do not wear. Like, I haven't even. Anyway, the story is about to change. Because I'm not going to braid my hair for the next, let's say 3 months, but I lie. I have holiday in February and I'm going braided. It will not bore me away to go to another man's country with a hair that's not looking like where I come from. That's not me. I represent. Hey, where can I possibly keep God? It's time to pray. I think it's time to pray for God to show me. I need to work every time. I need to pray for God to show me where I get it. Babe, I need your support now. Are you ignoring me?
What do you need me to do?
I just need you to be here.
I'm here. You're not
here mentally. You're inside your phone.
Mentally, I'm inside my phone. I'm here with you, my love.
I beg now.
My love.
I'm done with that wardrobe. And if you plan to judge me before, you better not judge me because I've arranged it. But I still can't find my microphone. If I don't find that microphone today, it's over for me, honestly. Maybe God just wanted me to arrange this. You cannot judge me, okay? Everything's arranged, the room is all set, and we are going to buy the things that we need, just pretty much start the day. And I have somehow convinced this man to take me to everywhere I need to go. So I got a ride. And you see that beans and corn? Nothing's going to stop me from eating beans and corn today. But you don't like him as a comedian?
No, I don't like. I don't see him as a funny person.
I think the hardest part of being funny is like being funny without putting up an act. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Just talking and being fun.
I think it's what's the word? A talent.
Yeah.
Gifts.
Tiny.
Doubts. Seriously.
Guys, the corn I want to use for the beans is what I'm coming to Iceland to come and buy for beans. Guys, I'm just looking for a ponytail extension. You can just it's expensive. £11.99. Fucking expensive. That's money for blended wig. No color. Even black one. Let me feel this stuff. Or should I get this wavy one? I think I found one. It's more expensive, but I'll just go with it. Can't see. So we're at Asda. I want to return something. Hopefully I don't buy anything. In fact, I will not, because I've spent money today. So my money has finished. I don't have shishi. Shishi I know get. We're on a queue. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm famished. That's done now. Practically almost done with all my errands for the day. Go, guys, I'm bringing my man back here. I don't normally say my man. I'm bringing my husband back to the shop because of indecisiveness. I'm going back to change that one. This one, changing it to a curly unit. And I'm hungry. I have ulcer. It's paining me, so I have to buy something to eat. I bought this one for a more natural effect. To go around, I'm sure I'm making the best choice. Umbrella. I think I am. Generally. Meat pie is rubbish. Like, I think it's more upsetting my stomach even more. What the fuck is this? God. But this doesn't represent actual Nigerian meat pie. God, I miss original Nigerian meat pie. Hey, God. Maybe I should make it by myself. What do you think? People are quiet. You're just quiet unnecessarily. Not form like I'm suffering you now. Say it, let them hear you. That I'm not suffering you. into a dance. Like I can start dancing. So happy. I'm so happy. Now to the next agenda of the day. Like, what is this? How? But let's fix that.
What the fuck is this?
It's not it.
Like Dada?
Guys, the beans are full pots. It's more than I expected. Bad news, guys. We've lost daylight. Like, it's just, babe, what is the time?
3:39.
It's literally 3:39 and the day is dark. Like, let me show you guys. There's no form of lighting coming in. It's dark already. Looks like 5 p.m. in the evening. Oh, I've not even finished losing my hair. Not to talk of making it. Not to talk of, you know what, instead of talking, let me just round up losing my hair. Then I'll make it. Then we'll see what we can do. I don't have enough lighting to be able to shoot in the night. I only have one LED light. And God, I don't know, man. I don't know. And I want to do that video tonight and finish it and post it tomorrow. God, I'm getting stressed. Anyway, this is our food. Babe, what's your honest review?
It's really nice.
You're saying it like I put a gun to your head.
I like it. It's really, really nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Man, me, I've not even eaten. No. Heavy rain is blasting. I will do everything I set my mind to do today. When I say everything, I mean everything. Hi guys, this is what I look like. My hair is so beautiful, so I'm just coming to clock in. I've actually finished creating all the content I plan to create today. I'm so happy. Not on time, but I'm happy. I'm going to go ahead and go to the gym now and then come back to edit everything. I'm going to edit 4 days worth of content tonight. Like, I don't care, I will do it tonight. Or I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this. Like, this is a fulfilled day of content creation for me, and I did everything I wanted to do. I think I've learned a pattern. If I want to achieve something, I will start earlier, but I'm gonna plan it and I can achieve it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking. See you in the next Vlogmas edition. Bye. I love you.